Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Abhishek Das. I am a vocational trainer of Gadong High School of Electronics. My training provider is Orient Edutech Private Limited. In this video, we will discuss about the repair and maintenance of water purifier. Firstly, identify the concerns of the customers. A field technician is responsible for the maintenance and repair of RO systems installed at customers' premises. It is very important for him or her to clearly understand the concerns of the customer. And there is a figure represents the various activities which should be done before scheduling a visit to the customer's premises. Secondly, interact with the customers on phone. Prior to visiting a customer's premises for repairing and servicing, it is important to call the customer and ask about the problem in detail as shown in the figure. Here is a third and vital step for a technician is interact with the customer at their premises. It is a good practice to be humble and respectful towards the customer. There is a figure represents how to interact with the customer when visiting the premises for service and repair. Here is a very important work for a technician is to identify the fault correctly. Wrong identification of fault will lead to wrong solution, which will waste time and money also, and can also damage to the appliance. Steps to be followed in case of fault is shown in figure. The final step for a technician is to suggest a solution to the customer. After identifying the issue, the field technician needs to offer solutions. She or he should explain all the possible solutions along with the cost associated. She or he should then propose the best solution and let the customer decide where to go ahead with given solution or not. There is a figure shows the steps involved in offering solution to the customer. These are all the steps that a technician should follow. And thanks for watching.